Hello viewers, this is Sanxi by Egarume from Sensor Studio, reporting on the Israeli airstrike on Iran. In Kermanshah, Iran, an Iranian missile base was attacked by an Israeli airstrike. Iran's air defense system is currently not operating effectively. The Imam Hassan military base in Kermanshah was severely damaged by an Israeli attack. Israel reportedly attacked 150 targets in Iran today using hundreds of missiles and bombs. Israel declared the air route to Tehran is now open and said more airstrikes will be conducted going forward. Israel appears to be continuously attacking Iran's air defense network. This video shows how the Israeli military is attacking Iran's air defense network. An Israeli fighter jet spots an Iranian drone and fires a missile at it. This is a Mossad drone truck found in Iran. Just like Ukraine used drones to attack Russian bombers, Israel also loaded drones inside container trucks and carried out attacks from within Iran. A missile booster launched from Iran was found in Jordan after being intercepted. The missile had a Quranic verse written on it saying, "It was not you who killed them, but Allah who killed them. And it was not you who threw, but Allah who threw in order to test you. Allah knows everything." In Yazd, Iran, 5 people were arrested for photographing sensitive locations and cooperating with Israel. Iran is reportedly contemplating blocking the Strait of Hormuz. If the Strait of Hormuz is blocked, it will be a very serious issue for South Korea too. Currently, an average of 21 oil tankers pass through this strait every day, transporting about 17 million barrels of crude oil. This represents 35% of the world's maritime crude oil transport, and almost 20% of total global crude oil transport. Around 70% of Korea's imported crude oil passes through the Strait of Hormuz. If Iran blocks this strait, Korea will likely face an energy crisis. Iran's foreign ministry says it will refuse further talks with the United States as long as Israel continues its attacks, seeing no reason to negotiate under these conditions. They announced that they would suspend negotiations until Israel stops its attacks. Israel claims to have taken control of the airspace from Israel to western Iran, and from there to Tehran, securing air superiority in the region. The Pakistani Ministry of Defense has announced its full support for Iran, indicating the conflict is becoming international. This concludes the video. Thank you.